Time to replace your screen on your Elegoo Mars. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, Chris Sergeant Taz here, and today I'm going to go over replacing your screen on your Elegoo Mars and how easy and simple it really is. This is my second one on a machine that's roughly 3-4 months old. My first one I did about 800 hours, just to be clear, about 800 hours of print time, which is standard for screen replacement with these guys. If you're going to do something like production printing, you might want to invest in a $23 screen, have a couple on hand just in case. In the video you're going to see I actually got a defective one that I ordered, and when I put it all together I got weird flashing. So it does happen, and it makes you think maybe I didn't install it right. It's real simple, it's really easy. Don't overthink it. You can get a bad one. It's very rare, but it happens. And sure enough, Dad's got one. So take what you will from that advice. But I'll walk you through what I did and why I did it, and also what I added to prevent me from having to do this again. What had happened was I must have had a leak in my FET material on my newer screen that I just replaced, and somehow resin had gotten under the plate and gotten into through here, causing me to have dead pixel areas, which obviously is not good when you're trying to print something, because you're not getting light through and it's messing up. So keep that in mind. I made my own little template on my vinyl cutter and made vinyl cutouts. Let's see, we got one here. I made vinyl cutouts. Had to go with, chrome, because I like chrome. Diamond plate is one of my favorite vinyls, so I went with that. I made quite a few. I don't know if I might sell them eventually. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. But I use that to keep the resin, any type of resin leak from getting in between the bezel and getting up underneath, because it will seep. So keep that in mind. The whole process, realistically, if I wasn't filming it, would have took me maybe roughly, I'd say 10-15 minutes, being careful. So it isn't overly complicated. Just getting the screen out can be a pain, especially on a new one. You just, the stock one, because the tape gets like really sticky and it's hard to get up. So you might wind up shattering it. I did on my first one that I didn't record. So the second one, it was easier because it wasn't as sticky. And then I actually cleaned off all of that tape and removed it, and then used double-sided tape from one of my window kits that I had, because I live in the Midwest. So we put plastic on the windows, and they provide you with that double-sided tape. And I keep rolls of it on hand because throughout the winter you're replacing them. So it was like, didn't cost me anything. I just cut up a couple pieces, put it in so the screen stayed stationary, and then put my wrap over the top of it to keep it safe from leaks. So keeping that in mind, a couple of things you might want to have on hand. realistically, this is all you need. And it's included with your Elegoo Mars. So it's removing the 4 side bolts and you're good to go. So as you can see from the video, it didn't take that long. It wasn't that labor intensive, and it's back up and running and back online. So we're all good to go. Other than that, hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate a like and subscribe. And as always, see ya.